January 2021 and I have a very promising young staff member, Dr. Vidya D'Souza, with me today. And there's a very special reason. We would like to call out for Dr. Vidya as a star performer of the month. And just a little about Dr. Vidya, she's also been an alumnus of St. Aloysius College, and there has been an incident in the recent past that really touches everybody's hearts to say why every Aloysian should look up to a star like Dr. Vidya. Dr. Vidya, warm welcome, and maybe you can tell us a little about your journey at Aloysius.
Sure.
And then we'll go exactly where it all happened.
Sure, Samik. So, hello everybody. As he said, I'm Dr. Vidya Vinutha D'Souza. I did my PUC at the same institute in the year 1999. I would say that is the base for a lot of attitude or a lot of initiatives that I take now.
To help many more people voice out when there is something, I think to a true social worker in you, if you can actually tell us the incident and narrate what exactly happened and what was it that actually gave you the courage and the strength to take it forward from there.
Sure, Samik. As you all know, this girl was harassed in a moving bus. Okay, and in spite of her screaming and shouting at the person, none of them came to help her, and that girl made this issue viral. It was shared almost 1 lakh plus, and when I reached her about this, I asked her, that you're doing a lot of social media activism, have you really gone ahead and given a complaint? She wasn't ready to. But then I convinced her. I said, if you aren't ready, then I myself will file a complaint. You just come with me to the station. And she came with me and she did so. And then the rest was all there in the media.
Oh, wonderful. I think you really walked the talk there. We would like to really thank you, but then I would like to ask you, what is it that is there as a message that you want to probably put it out in the public domain, which essentially can be picked up by every Aloysian and aspire to be like you or probably take up causes like the ones that you have taken?
Sure, Samik. Seeing this monument here, enjoying the facilities here, and literally having to use all the autonomy that is given to each of the staff member is one of the main motivating factor. Along with that, there are many other things, that regular recognition, the appreciation from the management, and you literally get to do what is required in the society. That is very special at our institute.
Well, one last word in a message to all students and staff would be something that we would appreciate from you. Dr.
Sure.
Vidya, what would you like to really give to all of them listening today?
To all the staff members, to all my friends here in the campus, the colleagues, and to my students there, I would want to say that don't just think of yourself. We are priority always, I truly understand. But we need to think out of ourselves too. Have that feeling of empathy towards others. Don't keep quiet. Speak for others. Don't just speak for yourself, is my message to all the Aloysians and to all the ones who are viewing this video today.
Well, congratulations, Dr. Vidya.
Thank you.
The star of the month for January, the first star of the month, St. Aloysius College, and an appreciation that's well deserved. A big cheers from everybody at Aloysius.
Thank you.